This is Get Understanding channel. Yeah, the channel can be found on YouTube. What this channel does is that this channel offers WASSCE, core mathematics or general mathematics on YouTube, as well as WASSCE elective or further mathematics on YouTube. Yes, this channel, in fact, neatly organizes all the topics in the form of playlists. Nicely, very nice. You have each topic. Let's say, for example, circuit theorem. You have the topic on circuit theorem, and then after on circuit theorem, apart from that, you also find a playlist, a separate playlist on circuit theorem, which is made up of what solve final WASSCE exam questions. WASSCE 2025, and this is objective questions. Objective, you have only 1 hour 30 minutes, 1.5 hours. Yes, so in fact, you have to really get understanding to be able to beat that. You have 50, you solve 50 questions within 1.5 hours. So in fact, in every question, you even have to spend not more than 1 minute on each question. Yes. So this is what we are looking at. We are going to look at what, but we focus on circuit theorem for now. Focus on circuit theorem. Yes, but before we move on to look at the questions, let us look at all the information on the channel. This is the information on how the Get Understanding channel. So as I said, the channel gives us core mathematics, WASSCE core mathematics, or WASSCE general mathematics, and then WASSCE elective or further mathematics on this channel. That's basically what you find on the channel. And apart from that, you also find WASSCE final exam questions as practice questions. Practice exam questions. Yes, for each and every topic that is covered on this channel. So on YouTube, if you go to YouTube, just search Get Understanding. Yes, you'll be able to search. That is the name of the channel on YouTube. And if you have any question, something, if you encounter any difficulty and you want any information, that is a WhatsApp line. Contact us on WhatsApp through this line. And then if you want to send us an email, this is the email address to get understanding at gmail.com. The only thing that we will ask from you, we plead with you to subscribe, to like, and to share, so that whenever additional videos are uploaded, you'll be notified automatically. Yes, so get understanding. Let us not waste much time. Let us go straight away to look at what the questions. Yeah. As we said, we are looking at what core or general mathematics 2025. WASSCE final exams. WASSCE. Yes. So this is the objective. You look at the circuit theorem. So this is a question number 29. Objectives 2025 WASSCE core maths or general mathematics. Yeah, as we were saying. So yeah. So you're saying that in the diagram PQRS are points on the circle. Center O, yes, center. This is the center O. And the angle PQR, angle PQR is what? Angle PQR. Yeah, PQR is 104 degrees. Find the angle mark what? Y. Find the angle mark Y. Yes. So here, what do you have to? Whenever the question is given, you have to be able to identify. You should be able to identify any theorem that is that is given in the question. Just so this is the question. So what theorem do you see in this question? So you know that this is the quadrilateral. This is what cyclic quadrilateral. And since this is the center, this is what radius, and this is what radius. So they will not, all these things they will not tell you, apart from the center. After the center, definitely they will tell you, but the radius, it won't tell you that this is this for you to know the clue, so that you have to solve the question. But you have to know. Yes, you have to know that. So there's a theorem there's a theorem on what cyclic quadrilateral. So the theorem says that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are to 180 degrees. So this angle is opposite to this angle. So if I add this angle to this to 104 degrees, I will have to get 180 degrees. If I add this angle to this angle, which are opposite, I have to get what 180 degrees. So it means that if this angle is what, so it says you find the value of if this angle is let's see x. If this angle is s, let's make this angle x. So what it means that from the theorem on cyclic quadrilateral, it means that s plus what 104 has to give us what 180 degrees. Have you seen? So s is equal to 180 minus 104, which is equal to what which is 76. Yeah, which is 76. So which is 76. Obviously, so this is what to me that this is what 76 or 76 degrees. So you are asked to find y. How do you find y? Yes, there's also there's another theorem on the on an arc forming an angle at the center, and, that arc forming this another angle on the circumference. So this arc PQ, this arc sorry PR, this arc PR is forming the angle Y at the center, and this same arc PR forming this angle S, which is 76 degrees on the circumference. So that theorem says that the angle formed by an arc at the center is equal to 2 times the angle formed by the same arc on the circumference. So if that is the case, then it means that y is equal to what? 2 times. So this angle which is formed by PR, this arc PR at center y is the same as is equal to 2 times the angle formed by this s. Why? Because this x is also formed by the same arc. So x which is what 2 times what? 76. Which is equal to what? 152. 152 degrees. Have you seen? So the correct answer is what? Correct answer is B. Yeah, guys, get to understand it. Don't memorize. Except for this one. But it's not for this one. You have to get to understand before you. Hello, welcome. You are continuing. This is you are still looking at objectives 2025 core maths or core mathematics or general mathematics objectives 2025. So this is question number 30. You see that in the diagram Tx, Ts, 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 and Ty and Ty are tangents to the circle. This one is a tangent, and this line is a tangent, and this is a tangent. The circle at what? The circle x, y, z, circle x, y, z at what? X and what? Y. So this is a tangent at this point, a tangent at the point x. Respectively, you see that Ts, this line Ts and YZ are parallel. That's what it means. They are parallel. And angle XTY is what? XTY is 100 degrees. Find angle ZXY. Angle ZXY. So this is the angle that we are supposed to find. Okay, so you know, yes. So what theorems do you notice here? What theorems do you identify? Yes, if you have tangents, two tangents drawn from a common point outside the circle T to the circle. So it means that this tangent and this tangent, so there's a theorem. That theorem says that they are of equal length. So this line and this line, they are equal. Everything. If that the case, then this triangle becomes an associated triangle. Triangle XTY is an associated triangle. Everything. And then we also have another theorem, which is the alternate segment theorem. We see that this is not the angle between a tangent and a chord. So this angle, the angle between a tangent and a chord, this angle, and then this same happen to be this because this is an associated triangle. This angle and this angle, they are equal. Have you seen? So the angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the triangle formed by the same chord. So this is the triangle. This is the triangle being formed by this chord. Angle in the triangle formed by the same chord in the opposite segment. So this is a segment. So this segment, the segment opposite to this segment is this major segment. So the triangle formed by this chord SY is this triangle. So which of the angles in the triangle 1, 2, 3 is opposite to this segment? It is this angle. Have you seen? Yes. So it means that this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is also the angle between the tangent and the chord is also equal to what? This angle. Have you seen? Yeah. So this is an associated triangle. We can find these two angles simply. The angles between the two tangents, we can find them. Simply. So if this angle is x, if this is x, then this angle will also be what? They are equal to x. So what do you see? You say that x plus s, in other words, 2s to s plus plus what? 100 plus 100 is equal to what? 180 degrees. So 2s is equal to 180 minus 100. Which means so 2s is equal to what? Is equal to 80 degrees, and s is equal to 80 over 2, which is what? 40 degrees. It means that this angle is what? 40, and this angle is 40. So if that is the case, since from the alternate segment theorem, it means that this angle is also 40. Have you seen? It means that angle is also is also 40. So having found this angle is very simple. We'll be able to find. So don't forget that I said that this line TS and YZ are parallel. So if you have a two parallel lines like this, have you seen? Then you have a line. Then don't forget that this angle, we call them the alternate angles. They are equal. Have you seen? This angle is equal to this angle. So that is what we see. So it means that since this line is parallel to this line, then this angle S must be equal to this angle. They are what? They are alternate angles. So it means that this one is also equal to what? This one is also equal to 40. Have you seen? So it is 40, 40. Then this one is coming to be an associate, is an associate angle. Yeah. So definitely it means that this is 40, 40, 80. So if you have 80, so if this one is this is what we are looking for. Angle what? Angle X, angle Z. Sorry, we are looking for angle Z, X, what? Y. So this and plus 40 plus 40. So this angle is what we are looking for, plus this 40 plus this 40 has to give us 180. So definitely this is going to be 100 degrees. Yes, it's going to give us what? 180. So it means that angle hot ZSY plus 80 is equal to what? 180. So angle hot ZXY will equal to 180 minus what? 80, which is equal to 100 degrees. So the correct answer is what? Correct answer is A. Yeah, guys, get understanding. Don't memorize. In fact, get understanding. Understanding is fun. Don't memorize. Get understanding. Yes. So let us look at the next question.